Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Simranjeet Kaur. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. If you have, thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm gonna create this look. So if you want to know that how I've created this look, so keep watching it. So first of all, I have taken this Pond's moisturizer and now I am applying it on my face. Don't forget to moisturize before starting your makeup because it's a necessary and it's a main step. Then I'm using this primer. This is Nykaa primer. I've just taken a one drop and I've just applied it on my T-zone, and the rest I've just applied on my whole face. Now I'm taking this Fit Me foundation. Today I haven't mixed any of them like Lakme and Fit Me. I've just used ivory shade. Don't forget to put foundation on your neck. Most of you do this type of mistake, so please don't do it. Now I'm taking a damp beauty blender. Damp means a wet beauty blender. So now I am just blending my foundation. Now I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer and I'm applying on my high points. Now I'm taking this damp beauty blender with whom I have blended my foundation. Try to blend each and everything so evenly, so properly, so that there should be no cracks on your foundation and it should not be visible to anyone. And then I'm just bronzing my face to give a shape. Now I've applied it on my jawline. Now I am doing it on my nose also. Now I'm applying blush on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose. Now I've taken this highlighter. Today I haven't applied much. I've just applied a little bit. Now I'm doing my eyebrows. I've just taken brown and black color and I've just combed my eyebrows with a spoolie, and now I'm just filling it. Now I have just taken this Makeup Revolution palette and I'm using this orange color for my crease. I've taken this fluffy blending brush to blend my crease. Now I have taken this darker brown color for my lid. I know this brown color is not visible in the video, but for real this look was looking so good. You just give a try to do this look. This look was looking so good in real, so just give a try. Now I'm again taking that brown color and applying out my under eyes. And now I've taken this yellow color to give a little pop of yellow to my inner corners. That's why I've just applied a little bit on my only inner corners. Now I'm taking this kajal and I'm applying on my waterline. It's a very, easy step to apply kajal. Try to do it. Now I'm applying mascara. You have to apply a very generous coat of mascara here. Now off camera I have applied eyelashes. Now this look is looking so good. Now I'm using a Delancey lipstick. It's a nude shade. Now I am mixing it with my exposed lipstick. I've applied a very little bit. So yeah guys, that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in your stories. I would love to repost your stories on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is I've given below in description box. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it. So I will meet you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.